So guys, if you've been following OnePlus closely over the years, you probably know that the designs they do are often borrowed from Oppo phones. I say borrowed, not stolen, because Oppo is actually the parent company of OnePlus, so sharing designs between these devices is nothing out of the ordinary. So the two most recent examples are the OnePlus 5T and the OnePlus 6, both of which look similar to the two Oppo phones, the Oppo R11s and the Oppo R15 respectively. But this trend goes way back. For example, the original OnePlus One shared many common traits with the Oppo Find 7, while the OnePlus X is almost a carbon copy of the Oppo Mirror 5. So with this in mind, and with mounting evidence supporting the existence of the OnePlus 6T, we recently took a look at Oppo R17, the phone that is most likely to donate its design to the next OnePlus phone, surely enough. Our suspicions were confirmed when a supposedly legit OnePlus 6T box leaked online, showing an illustration of the phone, complete with a small water drop notch and a most exciting of all, an in-display fingerprint scanner. Taking all of this into consideration, PhoneArena.com just made a first and cleanest look of the OnePlus 6T. So guys, this is OnePlus 6T render based on primarily information about the device. All signs point to the OnePlus 6T and the Oppo R17 sharing many design traits, including the water drop shaped notch, which seems to be there to accommodate for a single front-facing camera as well as an in-display fingerprint scanner. Although many people are sure to be irked by the notch, it is much smaller than that of the OnePlus 6, and many of our viewers prefer to the drop shape over iPhone style notch. Seeing as how the OnePlus 6T, the notch is literally there to house the selfie snapper and nothing else. It only makes sense for it to be very small. We don't really mind the design. However, we'd also like the notch, and the OnePlus 6T will likely have a bit of chin. Nothing offensive like on some other Android phones, but noticeably bigger than the bottom bezel of the OnePlus 6. So the question is that, will the OnePlus 6T will have 3 cameras? One of the unanswered questions still surrounding the OnePlus 6 is how many cameras will it have? The Oppo R17 is available in 2 models, a base model version with the 2 cameras on the back and a pro model with a triple camera like the Huawei P20 Pro. The triple camera setup on the R17 Pro consists of a 12 megapixel sensor, a 20 megapixel sensor with 2.4 aperture lens, as well as supplementary third camera. The OnePlus 6T will have 8 gigs of RAM and the Snapdragon 845R processor or Snapdragon 855R massive processor. So guys, what do you think of the OnePlus 6T? Do you mind the notch? Let me know in comments down below, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.